In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to evaluate a numerical expression that has fractions and different orders of operation. So if we have a problem like this that says evaluate the expression, and here's our expression. So a lot of people get this wrong, but I'm going to teach you the correct logical way to do this. So the first thing, let's convert our mixed numbers to improper fractions. Okay, so these are our mixed numbers. We're going to convert them to improper fractions. So this becomes minus 6 over 5, and this becomes 6 over 5. Now we can perform the division in the brackets first, okay? The division comes first before the addition, and you always do your brackets first. So to do this division, because it involves a fraction, you remember keep, change, flip. Okay, so let's do that. We're going to keep this, we're going to change this to multiplication, and then we flip this number. Okay, so now we could do that multiplication. Multiply negative 2 times 5 over 6, and it becomes negative 10 over 6, right? When you multiply a negative times a positive, it stays negative. And then you just multiply 2 times 5, and you keep the denominator the same. So now we can simplify minus 10 over 6. So that becomes minus 5/3. We've just reduced it. We've simplified it by dividing 6 and 10 by 2. 2 fits into 6 3 times, 2 fits into 10 5 times. So now we have minus 6 over 5 minus 5/3 times 3. Now we could just finish off this bracket. So we need to convert to denominator of 15 because that's the common denominator of 5 and 3. So this becomes 18 over 15 negative, and this becomes negative 25 over 15. So now add the negative fractions. They become minus 43 over 15. Now we could just multiply by 3. That becomes negative 129 over 15. Now we can simplify. We can reduce this, and it becomes negative 43 over 5. Or you change it to an improper fraction and it becomes negative 8 and 3/5. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. Anyone can do math. You could just re-watch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video, and you can watch the video as you follow along in the ebook. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.